Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a little mini bag of yarn here, and this is really pretty special, this stuff. I know what's in it. I know what's in it. Look at this. This is so pretty. Look at this. Now I can't believe that in the time that I've been doing crochet that I have never used a Caron cake. I've never used a cake of wool like this. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'll push that aside and look at this. This is amazing. That is so pretty. It's been a bit squashed. Now this is a Caron cotton cake. I should have a little list in here. So this one, I think it's called Blushing Melons. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Doesn't that look yummy? It's 100 grams and it's so soft. It really is. And does it say the size? So it's 100 grams. It tells you to use a 5mm hook and blushing melons. And it's done by Yarnspirations, and this is a Caron cotton cake. Look at it. Blushing melons is absolutely beautiful, and I've got a beautiful blanket in mind for this. I've never actually used a cotton variegated yarn. I have used it sometimes, but a lot of the time I tend to stick to solid colours. I'll pop that there. Muttley's patiently waiting on the bag to hide his ball in it. And there's another one of the blushing melons. That is beautiful. Now I got two. A lot of people think, why do you buy more? Because 200 grams gives you a nice size pram blanket for a baby. I don't have I don't have any grandchildren, so anytime that I make any of my blankets, they get given away. I give them away. I just donate them to people. And this one, I bought some of this. This is the Red Heart Lisa. So I got this. These were, I think they were only 125, and there's it's a 50-gram ball, and it's only £1.25. And I'll find out the price of this and I'll just put it up there. I've forgotten how much this is in my excitement, but it is a beautiful cotton and it's so pretty. And these were 125 each. So on Lovecrafts you can buy a lot of the yarn is very reasonably priced. Now I've got this one up. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, this one is so pretty as well. Look at that. That's beautiful colours. It's more adult colours, but then it would make beautiful baby boy things. This one is the Caron cotton cake, and this one is a nested blue. It's called Nested Blue, and look at that, so pretty. It really is. Oh, there's something that you can make with it. That's the way it comes out, sort of self stripes, but it's so pretty. And I was going to make some nice little neck warmers for my sister with something like this. But this is really pretty. I like that. What's on this one? On this one, it's a neck. I think it's actually knitted, that though. I think that's knitted. But anyway, that's really pretty. This is this. Oh my goodness. How soft that is. Look at that. Squidge, squidge, squidge. This is called Caron Baby Cakes. It's 100 grams. Oh my goodness. That is so soft. I just don't know why I've never used these before. I haven't. What this one is called Citrus Dandelion. That one's called Citrus Dandelion. This is called I think it's just lilac. It says something like fielder, but I think it's a lilac. There's no colour and name on it. It's just a colour, a number. It's a number. The number on it is 05691 for that. And this is Citrus Delicious. Citrus Delicious. My goodness. It's so soft. That is beautiful. And there's a little blanket there. Oh, you get the pattern inside the label. It's a knitting pattern though. I don't do very much knitting at all. That is absolutely beautiful. And I think these ones were like £5 something a ball. I'll make sure what the price is and I'll put it up there. That's amazing. Look at that. And it's so soft. It's really soft. My goodness, that's going to make an amazing blanket. What else did I get in here? I think I got another one of those. Oh, look at this one. I'm not desperate to get that bag. So I got another one of that Citrus Delicious. It's called Citrus Delicious. Oh, the colourway is different on this one. Does that make a difference? It's got lemon in there and the lemon is around down in there on that one. And it's there. That one's got more of the blue and the white in it. Is it meant to be like that? I suppose it is, isn't it? You're bound to have the same amount of the colours on it anyway. If you've had these before, then please let me know. Is it meant to be like that? Is it meant to have that one's got the blue in the middle and this one's got the lemon? Is it just the way that you're going to crochet or knit it that it comes out in a variegated pattern? But it's super soft. It's beautiful. I really like it. That is amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm going to enjoy using that one. I've got another one of those little blue ones. That is the nested blue cotton cake. The Caron cotton cake. And that's really pretty, isn't it? I like that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful and it feels amazing. And this is Dreamy Peach. I've got two of those. So this is the Caron baby cake one. Oh, this is a crochet. We get a free crochet pattern. Oh, lovely. It's a block stitch. Crochet tumbling blocks blanket. That's really pretty. So I take it if I use this, that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to get that sort of pattern on it. And I actually think this is a corner to corner pattern because of the way the colour's going diagonally like that. But that's beautiful and it's so soft, my goodness. That's squishy, squishy soft. And this one is called Dreamy Peach. It's got shades of peach and cream. There's a grey and like a sort of coffee, very milky sort of coffee colour. It goes to like an ecru sort of cream and then into that beautiful peach. I love the shade of that. I wonder if they do that on its own. I'll need to find out if they do that on its own. That's beautiful, that. I love the colour in that. That's pretty. So what else? Oh, that's the last one. Oh dear, it was just a small pack. It was just a small order. And that's beautiful. So I'm going to give these a little try. I'll find something. I've got some ideas in my head to make with these. There's 100 grams in them and 200 grams for me is enough to make a decent size baby blanket. It really is. It depends on the stitch that you use as well. If you just do a V-stitch blanket or a treble crochet blanket, you'll get quite a large blanket for 200 grams. And there again, that one's got the pink in the middle and that one's got it round here. It must be the way it's wound in. It's really pretty. Oh, I like it. It's really, really nice. Take it to give it its really good variegation on it. So that is my little order. It was just a little order, wasn't it? And it's beautiful. I really, oh, this is, you have to get this. You have to try this. If you have never felt soft yarn before, oh, this is the softest yarn that I ever bought before was the Loops and Threads Soft and Shiny. And this is even softer. It's just for a little baby, that's going to be absolutely amazing. It's so soft. I'll pop that one there. So if you like the yarn, I'll leave a link in the description box for Lovecrafts website. And honestly, it is a lovely website and the prices are absolutely amazing. I have stopped buying yarn on Amazon altogether now because I'm getting so much more for my money on Lovecrafts. They've got yarn that's, it's like £1.25 a ball. They do my favourite yarn. They do it for £1.99 a ball of the Red Heart soft baby steps, and that's beautiful yarn for babies as well. I've got one of them here. I've got one here. This is the, oops, that one's fallen down. I've got this. This is the Red Heart soft baby steps, and that is amazing. It's a baby Aran weight yarn, and it's £1.99 a ball, and it's got so many beautiful pastel colours. They've got this one. There's beautiful lemons and pinks and strawberries and blues. It's beautiful. And they've got a white as well. And it's only £1.99 a ball. So it's really not the fact that I'm endorsing Lovecrafts or anything. It's just, it's a super place for a decent price ball of yarn. Two balls of yarn at £1.99 is going to make you a beautiful blanket. And if you do the V-stitch blanket that's on my channel, it's going to cost you £3.98 to make the blanket, and then you can sell it on with some ribbon around it, and you can easily make £10.99 per blanket. For people love to have really good quality handmade, hand crocheted and hand knitted baby goods, from blankets to baby clothes. It's really, really worth it. And I love their website for their prices. The prices and the quality and the way you get your yarn in these little bags is absolutely brilliant. Oops, I've just dropped that one. And then you can use these for all sorts of things. If you make your blankets and sell them, you can put them inside these and send it to the person that buys it from you. You can use them for that. You can keep your yarn stored in it. You can put your projects in it that you've not finished. You can put baby clothes in it that you've made if you want to keep them nice and fresh as well. So thank you very much for watching. Please click on that subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. I really, really do appreciate all the people who have subscribe to my channel to help boost my channel morally a little bit for me. It's great when people see your channel and you've got lots of subscribers. It's a real boost, and it just means that a lot of people like the work that I do, and that is the main thing for me, is that you all like what I make and that it helps someone to be able to learn to crochet, or just to give you a few ideas on other projects that you could do. And like I've said already, if you make anything from my channel, then you feel free to sell it on. You can do that. I don't mind at all. I don't mind if you make up the blankets that I show you how to make and sell them or gift them. Do whatever you want with them. It's your time that you've used and your yarn that you've bought, and if you want to sell it, then I'm happy with that. I'm happy if you're making a little bit of pocket money. So please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another video. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. I just can't wait to try this out.